question 3 combines stuff from our last unit and this unit together. So we have a radical equation, square root of 6 minus x, and you're asked to solve it. Well, to solve a question like that, we learned in our last unit that you can get rid of a square root if you isolate it first. So very important, first we have to isolate it, and then you could square both sides. When I square a square root, that will just become 6 minus x, and when I square this side, I'm going to have to FOIL it out. It's going to give me x squared minus 8x plus 16. So we notice a square root equation. We remember from our last unit that you can solve a square root equation by isolating the square root and then square it. Once we've done this, we get a quadratic equation, an equation with an x squared. And we've just learned that we can solve x squared equations using the zero product property, but first we need to make one side equal to 0. When choosing which side you make equal to 0, it doesn't matter, but I really like when the x squared is positive because it makes it easier to factor. So I'm going to make the left side 0, which means I'm going to add an x to give me minus 7x. I'm going to subtract the 6 to give me plus 10. Now I can factor this. X and x looks like 5 and 2 should work. 5 and 2. I need minus 7, so I need minus 5 and minus 2. Does it still give me the plus 10? Yes. Giving me x equals 5 and x equals 2. But we also have to remember from our last unit that whenever you're solving a square root equation, you have to verify. So I'm going to start by, in blue, I'm going to verify x equals 5. How do we verify? We split up our equation, left side and right side. We go back to the original equation and plug in 5. So I would have the square root of 6 minus 5 plus 4, and on the right side was x, so I plug in 5. Does it work? 6 minus 5 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 4. This is equal to 5. So I can put a check mark by the x equals 5. It absolutely works. And then in green, I'm going to verify x equals 2. Split up my thing again. Square root of 6. 6 minus 2 plus 4, and plug in 2 on this side. 6 minus 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Is 6 equal to 2? Last I checked, no. So this one, after verifying it, I can write that this is an extraneous root. We get 2 answers, but only one of them works. So you can circle question number 12, and you can have the rest of class to work on all those questions.